Friends, I am Acharya Kalki Krishnan. Namaskar. The subject which I am going to discuss is the purely very secret subject. The name itself suggests name is Gupta Navratri. The literal translation of this subject is that secret divine night, secret 9 divine nights. And when itself it has the word secret, why I am discussing? Just being compared by the garbage scattered in the name of Gupta Navratri on the internet, on the YouTube and on the other platforms, on the Facebook also. So a lot of garbage has been scattered, and after being perplexed with this phenomena and after being requested by some connected persons that I should come along with authority to describe what is Gupta Navratri and what is to be done in these days, I have come along with this video. Dear friends, Gupta Navratri is period, as its name suggests, it is the period of 9 nights. These 9 nights, Navratri occurs as per Hindu belief and tradition, Sanatana Dharma belief and tradition, occurs 4 times in the year. 2 are prakat, 2 are apparent, are called Chaitra Navratri and Ashwin Navratri. Everyone celebrates these 2 Navratris. But 2 other Navratris are very secret. These 2 Navratris are very secret. These occur in the month of Magha, which occurs in around January and February of the English calendar, and the another Ashadha Navratri, Gupta Navratri, occurs in the month of June and July. In these 2 months, June, Ashadha and Magha, in the when moon waxes in the bright fortnight, for the first 9 nights, these Navratris start, and you can know the exact dates after going to doing the Google about these. So you can know the dates. But what I am going to suggest you, that whatever sadhana is done, whatever puja is done, whatever rituals are being done are purely tantric. Tantric rituals are not recommended and suggested for the general people who have not reached that level. Because if you have not reached that level, you have not activated your chakra to that level, if you are doing those things, it will harm you. And the subtle energies may get aggrieved, may get angry instead of being pleased with you. First thing. Second thing, why these occur? In the case of other 2 Navratri which are apparent, which you can see, everyone celebrates, Chaitra Navratri and Ashwin Navratri, in these Navratris, the nature changes its own course from summer to winter and winter to summer. But in the case of Gupta Navratri, secret Navratris, nature also changes, but you cannot feel that unless you have activated your subtle bodies. Sushma Sarira, you cannot feel. And I cannot explain. If you're not activated your chakra to that level, I cannot teach you, because these things can be done only through sadhana. And if you have done sadhana to that level, I don't need to teach you those things. So, however, I believe that you are not a tantric. I believe that you are excited about the Gupta Navratri. So I am teaching you only 2 tips. 2 tips for being utilized for the Gupta Navratri, and which you can get immense benefits. But before that, I want to alert you. All the puja, sadhana and rituals where to be done. These are not to be done in any temple. These are not to be done in any temple. Where to be done then? These are to be done only here. In your mind, in your brain, all these things are done as the manasika sadhana. The mental process, mental churning is to be done. You have to contemplate only the pujas to be done in the Gupta Navratri. Whatever puja you want to do, you have to do in your brain only, in your thoughts only. Do not do at the gross level before others, so that others should not know what is being done. Second thing, if any mantra is to be recited, it should not be manasik, it should not be Vachik and Upanshu. What is Vachik and Upanshu? I will tell in another video, but it should be Mansik. It means you should not utter any word. You should not utter any word, and not even your lips should not move. Your mouth should not move. Every recitation of the mantra should be in your brain only. So Gupta Navaratri, the puja should not be apparent. No one should know puja, and nothing is to be used. You need not use any flower, you do not do any sweets, you do not do any, everything is to be offered, has to be created in your brain. Even water you have to create into your brain. You have to contemplate each and everything, each and every process. You might be knowing some pujas, how it is done, but it should be done only in your brain. No one should know. No one should know this is Sushma Puja. All the processes in the Gupta Navaratri are very Sushma. Unfortunately, people who don't know the real meanings are uttering and scattering garbage in the name of Gupta Navaratri on the social media and platforms. I am very aggrieved with this, and I believe that these subtle energies who are encompassing all the universe are also agreed with this, and they are punishing those people who are transgressing their authority, their knowledge, their everything what is they are authorized to do. So having alerted you and giving you the proper background of the Gupta Navaratri, I am going to give you very small tips. First tip is regarding the health. If you have some health problem relating to this portion of the body, you have to recite the mantra Om. This mantra has been written here. For your guidance only, but you will perceive that what I am reciting is very similar to this what is written, but it is not the exact what is written. So because these pronunciations cannot be written in the proper manner, but similar, whatever similar I could find, I have written there, but you should learn very carefully to me. You may play the YouTube video to learn the pronunciation, but you should learn then only. And what I have already alerted, the mantra should not be pronounced. Even your mouth should not function. The mantra has to come. Mantra has to be activated in your inner body, in your brain only. So for the malfunctioning, for the diseases relating to this person, what you have to recite? And for all the diseases below this neck and up to your navel part, what you have to recite is Ring, ring, ring. And below the navel place, and for the whole feet, even your genital organs, from you excrete your feces and urine. Any problem is there, then you should recite Cling, Cling. These mantras are for the Maha Saraswati, Mahalakshmi and Mahakali. How the diseases are cured, it is the subject of deep research, and I will elaborate sometime else in some other video. So if you have some problem in your brain, in your eyes, in your ears, in your nose, anywhere in your mouth, you should recite and if you have some problem in your heart, in your lungs, in your pancreas, in your kidney, somewhere, then you should recite Ring. And if you want to get rid of some problem regarding your genital organs, your feet, your knees, then you should recite Cling. Another tip, very important tip I want to give you regarding these three mantras only. If you want to achieve something very intellectual relating to some knowledge, then you should recite and if you want to achieve something relating to resources, money, vehicle, house, big factory, then you should recite Om, ring, ring, ring. And if you want to achieve something related to relationship, your family background, your support from the other people जो है, then you should recite clean, clean, clean. But believe me, Gupta Navratri is intended for the spiritual achievements. But spiritual achievements cannot be taught on YouTube. You should approach some guru directly and get him kripa, get his or her kripa of the guru, and once you get the kripa, he will guide you for the spiritual achievements. It is my suggestion. So I have given you the tip जो है for health purposes and for achieving something other subject wise. But believe me, if you transgress your dictum, your whatever is being said by me, if you go beyond that, the subtle energy will get aggrieved and become angry. So do not do whatever garbage is being scattered. Do not believe them. They do not do. They have not gone through scriptures, and they have not even done the sadhana or not any research. They are just copycats. They are just reading something and placing something on the Google, on the websites, there are so many places we should only pray to the divine mothers to forgive them, not get angry with them. Again, I am Acharya Kalki Krishnan. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel. Namaskar.